Imagine a world where the humble potato is not just a side dish, but a hero in the story of your health. Often relegated to the shadows of superfoods, the potato is a nutritional powerhouse waiting to be unlocked. Not only do they make our mashed favorites and crispy fries, but they also pack an abundance of health benefits. Potatoes have long been a staple in diets around the globe, but their reputation has been marred by misconceptions. When prepared correctly, potatoes can offer substantial nutritional benefits. They are not just energy providers but also defenders of our health with essential nutrients. The appeal of potatoes lies in their taste, versatility, and ability to cater to various dietary needs. Whether you need a gluten-free option or want to enrich your diet with vitamins and minerals, potatoes can be the answer. Understanding their potential can transform how we include them in our diets. Potatoes are often misunderstood, yet they are a treasure trove of nutrients. Packed with essential vitamins and minerals, they provide a myriad of health benefits. For starters, potatoes are an excellent source of vitamin C, essential for immune health. Furthermore, potatoes are abundant in vitamin B6, crucial for brain health. Potassium in potatoes plays a significant role in regulating blood pressure. Consuming foods rich in potassium can help mitigate the risk of hypertension. The fiber content in potatoes aids in maintaining regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. It also helps to keep cholesterol levels in check, promoting heart health. Potatoes are a source of complex carbohydrates, providing a slow and steady release of energy. Their combination of vitamins, minerals, and fiber supports various bodily functions and helps maintain overall health. The world of potatoes is rich with variety, each type offering unique health benefits. Sweet potatoes are renowned for their high fiber content and vibrant orange hue, indicating beta-carotene. Beta-carotene is a precursor to vitamin A, crucial for maintaining healthy vision and supporting the immune system. Purple or blue potatoes are rich in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Incorporating purple potatoes into your diet can help reduce inflammation and support heart health. Red potatoes, with their thin skins, are packed with fiber, vitamin C, and potassium. The thin skin adds extra fiber, beneficial for digestive health. White potatoes are versatile and provide a good source of vitamin C and potassium. They are a reliable energy source due to their carbohydrate content. Each type of potato brings something unique to the table, making them valuable additions to a balanced diet. Antioxidants and fiber, the cornerstones of health. Antioxidants protect our body from free radicals, which can cause cellular damage and lead to chronic diseases. Potatoes, particularly the purple and blue varieties, are rich in these protective compounds. The anthocyanins found in these potatoes help reduce inflammation and support heart health. Fiber is essential for maintaining digestive health, regulating bowel movements, and preventing constipation. Fiber also helps manage cholesterol levels, beneficial for heart health. The fiber in potatoes contributes to a feeling of fullness, helpful in weight management. Beyond digestion, fiber can help regulate blood sugar levels. For individuals with diabetes, consuming potatoes in moderation and pairing them with other nutrient-rich foods can help manage blood sugar spikes. The dual benefits of antioxidants and fiber in potatoes make them a compelling choice for enhancing health. Versatility and preparation. Embracing healthy cooking. To maximize the health benefits of potatoes, choose cooking methods that preserve their nutrients. Baking, boiling, and steaming are excellent ways to cook potatoes while maintaining their nutritional integrity. These methods help retain vitamins and minerals without adding unnecessary fats. Baking allows potatoes to retain most of their nutrients, and the crispy skin can be a delicious source of extra fiber. Boiling preserves vitamin C and other water-soluble nutrients, especially if you cook them with the skins on. Steaming helps maintain the potatoes' natural flavor and texture. Frying can diminish their health benefits by adding unhealthy fats and calories. Instead, focus on healthier preparations that enhance the natural flavors and nutrients of the potato. By choosing healthy cooking methods and incorporating a variety of potato types, you can enjoy their full range of health benefits. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so that you won't miss out on any of my future videos. Stay tuned for more informative videos.